Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to quickly show you how you can create amazing animated SVG icons like the one here on this page using the raw linear icon files that we supply with the SIGMA theme under the Creative Commons license. So if I just go to features here and we go free 600 plus SVG icons. So again, these are included in the SIGMA theme, and we've resourced them under the Creative Commons license from the guys over at linear.io. So if we click on that link there, you can go and look at the full icon set, which is on here and included in the SIGMA theme, as I've said. And if you give it a little love, if you do use the icons in your theme, just give them a tweet and promote these icons under the Creative Commons license. So I'm going to jump straight into the tutorial here. If I just reload this page again, you'll see what I've got here is some of the animated icons already set up, so you see them animate in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly create a new one, replace one of these, and show you how quickly you can start creating animated icons for your new project with the SIGMA theme. So I'm going to go into our folder structure here from the package that you've downloaded, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Plugins, Enlivenem, Animator, and we're going to open up the animator. Now this is what creates the animations for the SVGs. And then if I go back to our folder structure again here, so we're going to go into resources, SVG tutorials, icons, and in here we've got the linear complete one set of icons, but again you can download them from the site. But yeah, we're going to go into the basic folder here, I think, and I'm going to SVG, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to replace one of these here and show you how quickly to create an animated icon. So let's have a look. So yeah, we'll use the calculator. So all I need to do is get that SVG file, and I need to open it up in text edit on a Macintosh, or if you're on a PC you might be using Notepad. And all we need to do there is then copy the code from SVG down to SVG. We don't need any of the metadata. So if we just go SVG to SVG, copy that code, and then we're going to paste that into the actual editor that's included with the SIGMA theme. Click the proceed button, and you'll see here we get the artwork for the actual SVG. Now we're going into a lot more detail with the tutorials for all the settings that are available in the Enlivenem editor, and we give links to the Enlivenem website to give you more detailed instructions on how to use everything. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to choose responsive, 1/2, and then I'm going to actually click on the group, so we can actually click on, oh well, we'll click on the rectangle there, we'll click on the rectangle and we'll click draw lines, and then in here we just set the settings. So the duration is set to 2000 because it's 2 seconds. We're going to set the color of the animation to black, and we're going to set the width to a width of 2. So if I click on the play button, you'll see the square animate in there. And then what we need to do is just repeat that process on all the different parts. So draw lines, and you'll see here it keeps the same settings, so we can just click on each individual item and just keep setting everything to draw lines. And then once we've done that, we can actually preview the whole animation by clicking the red play button. So just do that again there, so you can see everything animated in one go there with the red button. So we've got our animation, so all we need to do is click the results tab. We just then need to select all that text in there, all the code, press the copy button. So we're going to copy that, we're going to create a new text document. So again in Notepad, we're going to paste that in there. We're just going to save that now, and we'll call that calc, and then we just need to make sure that we put the .svg as the suffix at the end of the file. So calc.svg, save that there, save SVG, so we can then close down these text edits. So you can see here we've got our file calc.svg. So I'm going to go to the page that I want to edit here on our site, and I'm just going to edit the page. So open that link in a new tab, and I'll change this accelerator icon here. So once the page is loaded, so there we go, the page is loading now, and I've already got my icons set up in here from the way I've built the page, but I'm going to edit that text block, and then all we need to do is select the previous icon, click the edit button, and then we're going to replace that, and we'll just drag on our new animated SVG for the calculator, hit the replace button, hit the save button, hit update, And then if we go to the front end of the website, and what I'll do is I shall just move that window, make the window slightly smaller so that when I refresh the page, the actual SVGs won't animate until we hit the points on the scroll down the page. So if I scroll down now, you'll see there the animating, and we've got our new calc animated SVG. So again, that's took me less than 4 minutes to create an animated SVG using all the resources on the SIGMA theme, so you can see a really powerful theme for your next project. If you have any questions or would like to get any support for anything that you're using on the SIGMA theme, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much.